name is Arya. I study in class 5th C. Today I am going to tell you how I spend my holidays. At the very first, I and my family went to my village. First, I don't know what to do there. I was getting bored. After, I was enjoying roaming and running here and there in my farm. I also watched how my grandfather saw bajri and groundnuts. It was a good experience. I also enjoyed riding tractor, and I also sit with my father on tractor when he is plowing and doing other works on tractor. I learned to milk cows and feed them. I also learned to graze cows and graze them daily. I daily watch birds, what they do and their movements. When the monsoon came, the birds make nest and lay their eggs in it. I saw some nest and daily watch how the egg hatches. It was a good experience. After, I learned to swim. I know how to swim 1 year before, but I was not confident because I didn't swim for a year. So my mother and father taught me how to swim in the deep well. First, I was very frightened because the water was so deep. After some days, I was enjoying swimming and jumping from the top of the well. I learned to jump from the very top of the well and also learned to jump with various actions and style. When I was doing it perfect, then we went to the farm pond. It was much bigger and much deeper than the well, but I enjoyed both of them. But I enjoyed the farm pond most because it was larger, deeper, and I can see the sky freely. It was a good experience, and I learned some things to cook and also enjoyed eating it. I enjoyed eating some natural fruits direct from the tree. After the school starts, first our classes were on WhatsApp. Ma'am sent some work to do and we do by ourselves. After some days, HM sir started a nice online bar schedule that we enjoyed it with doing many fun activities. Along with it, I also learned how to make some good toys from our homemade material from Kabar Se Jugaad Zoom meeting. I also learned some information about forts through Skype sessions. I also interact with many people with many fields in Zoom meetings and made a PPT what I did in lockdown. Then we came to Pune and our school was started on Google Meet. I started Sunday Science School. It was so much fun because every Sunday a new courier came with new activities. After, I also joined the International Environmental Diploma from Sweden.